નમસ્કાર, હું આદર્શ છું. વેલકમ ટુ આદર્શ એજ્યુકેશન સોસાયટી.
Dear children, today we have to learn in standard 9 subject social science chapter number 18. The name of the chapter is Dear Children Wildlife. Dear children, you know very well that in the previous lecture we have already known about the wildlife and the need for the conservation as well as the important national park and the sanctuary in the India. Which are the national park located in the India? Already we have to learn about the Kaziranga, after Thermal Desert, Kanha, Gir National Park. This all national park we have learned into the previous lecture. Now today we have to continue from the dangerous to the wildlife. Today we have to continue from the dangerous to the wildlife. Dangerous to the wildlife, it means વન્ય જીવો પર જોખમ. Dangerous to wildlife, it means વન્ય જીવો પર જોખમ. A question mark has been put against the existence of the entire wildlife. Now what happened that here children? Here one kind of the question mark has been put against the existence of the entire wildlife due to the human greed as well as the human activity for the development into the recent time. Why there was a dangerous into the wildlife? Because due to the human greed as well as the human activity, development into the recent time against the existence of the entire wildlife. On examining the regions, it is understood that the wildlife has become unprotected. If you have to see into the detailed form, then we know very well that we can understand that wildlife has become unprotected as they have lost their natural habitats due to continuously decreasing the forest. Why they are lost their natural habitats? Because continuously decreasing the forest. Hunting carried out to get skin, meat, teeth, hair and the bones is a big problem. What happened that here children? Hunting carried out to get skin, meat, teeth, hair and the bones. This is the biggest problem, and that's why we can say that the today because of hunting activity the dangerous to the wildlife is there. And due to the heavy grazing by domestic animal into the forest, herbivores are deprived of their food, which result in decrease in their numbers. It will deprive carnivores of getting their food, so their carnivores reach the human settlement in search of the food and attack the domestic animals. As they approach the human settlement, now what happened there? As they approach the human settlement, situation of conflict arise between wild animal versus the human beings, and due to that the conflict lead the destruction of the wildlife. And due to what happened here, the conflict lead the destruction of the wildlife, and because of that human activities in the forest cause adverse effect on the wild animal. And due to what happened that this kind of the human activity in the forest cause the adverse effect onto the wildlife. Due to the decrease, what happened that dear children? Due to the decrease in the forest area, the wild animal occasionally come within the human habitats. Human interference in the areas of the wild animal result into the clashes with them. What happened that dear children? Here the human interference into the areas of the wildlife, and due to that the clashes between human beings and the wild animal was increasing. In such incident, the wild animal become the victim of the human race and lost their life. In the south, in the southeastern India, the elephant coming in the search for the food create the havoc into the agriculture field, and due to that incidents of the injuring or killing men by leopard take place into the Saurashtra and South Gujarat by the wolf in the forest of the Gujarat, and that's why what happened that a precaution is necessary to prevent such disasters. After dear children, the next one they will given about the remedies to conserve the wildlife. Which one, dear children? Remedies to conserve the wildlife. Remedies to conserve the wildlife. It means Vanya Jeevan Sarakshana Upayo. What the meaning of remedies to conserve the wildlife? It means Vanya Jeevan Sarakshana Upayo. A long-term planning is necessary to conserve and increase the forest area. What happened, dear children? If we have to conserve the wildlife, then it is required the long-term planning necessary for the conservation and increase the forest area. We shall have to be more dedicated and implement the strong legal provision and the strict implementation for the conservation of the forest area and the wild animal. What happened, that is children? Here it is the requirement that we have implement strong legal provisions as well as the strict implementation of the rules and regulations for the conservation of the forest area into the wildlife. Various social NGOs should give this a top priorities. What happened, dear children? Here various social NGO means non-government organization, should give this a top priority for the conservation of the wildlife as well as the forest. And that's why what happened that they have to arrange a program for the public awareness program. This program should be included in the school syllabus and make the future citizen aware. Before implementing and development the project, its probable effect on the environment and living organism should be examined. Cutting of the large tree outside the forest area should be stopped. Which things we have to stop, dear children? We have to stop them cutting a large number of the tree outside the forest. We have to stop it because the hollow space within them and their branches are nesting place for the birds. Ponds, farm ponds, wetland which are necessary for the migrating birds, and for those which are habitat near any water bodies should be protected. An active action is urgently needed to reduce the pollution. What happened, that dear children? Here we have to require the active action urgently to reduce the pollution. To manage the forest fire, and anticipatory planning should be made for the patrolling and the safety. What happened that sometimes the forest fire was also happened. At that time there is a requirement for the planning for the patrolling and the safety. Next one, dear children, they have given about the steps taken to nurture the wildlife. What they have given that which kind of the steps are to be taken for the nurturing the wildlife. It means વન્ય જીવન સંરક્ષણ માટેના લેવાયેલા પગલાઓ. Since early times, laws have been framed in our country to protect the wildlife. Dear children, you know very well that from the early time, the laws have been framed in our country to protect the wildlife. Laws were framed to protect the wildlife in the time of the great Maurya king Ashoka. Fundamental duties of the citizen and the directive principle in the constitution also includes these things. What happened, dear children? Here in the fundamental duties of the citizen and the directive principles in the constitution, they also included these things. Parliament has passed a Wildlife Conservation Act according to the recommendation of the Indian Wildlife Board. What happened, dear children? Here our Indian Parliament has passed a Wildlife Conservation Act according to the recommendation of the Indian Wildlife Board. In 2014 there were 503 sanctuary, 102 national park and 14 bioreserves. Out of this, 22 sanctuary, 4 national park and 1 bioreserve zone happens located into the Gujarat. Some protection schemes are planned for those species which are on the verge of the existence. Let us know about this project, sir. First one, dear children, they will given about the project Tiger information. Which one, dear children? Project Tiger. This project was launched in the 1973. What happened there, dear children? Your project Tiger was launched in the year 1973 against the hunting and decreasing the number of the tigers. This was implemented for the non-reserved area. This project was implemented for the non-reserved area, under which now 48 areas are to be the covered. Next one, dear children, they will be given about the information of the Lion project. Which one, dear children? Lion project. There was a time when Asiatic lions were found up to Iran in the Asian subcontinent. Due to hunting and reduction into the forest area, these lions are now restricted to the Gir forest of the Saurashtra Peninsula. At one stage, their number had gone below the 100. In 1972, what happened there, dear children? In year 1972, a project was started in the Gir to protect the Asiatic lions. As a result of this project and the timely taken step, now there are the 523 lions according to the lion census held in the 2015. In addition to this, there are the other projects. Also, the major project among them, the major project are Hangul project for the rare species of Barasingha deer in the Kashmir, crocodile project for the saline water crocodile, rhino project for the protection of the Indian rhino, and snow leopard project. Wildlife conservation. What about the dear children? Wildlife conservation is possible only if the society and government show their firm as well as the determination as well as the responsibility to take the step into the right direction. What happened, dear children? Here, the wildlife conservation is possible only society, people also aware, same way the government has also taken step into the right direction. Along with the development, we shall have to dedicate to conform our motto of the environment preservation. What happened, dear children? Through the development, we shall have to dedicate the conform our motto for the environmental preservation. Now, dear children, they have to given one chart in your textbook about the National Park of the Gujarat. Which one, dear children? National Park of the Gujarat. First, dear children, they have to given about the information of the Gir National Park. Which one, dear children? Gir National Park, established in 1975. In which year the Gir National Park established, dear children? In 1975. Area 258.71 square kilometer, district Junagadh, and major animal you have to see in Gir National Park: lion, leopard, cheetal, crocodile, chinkara. This all are the name of the major animal you have to see into the National Park of the Gir National Park in Junagadh district of the Gujarat. Second, they have to give one about the Black Buck National Park. Which one, dear children? Black Buck National Park was established in 1976. Area is 34.08 square kilometer, and it is located into the Bhavnagar district. You have to see the major animal in Black Buck National Park: black buck, wolf, bustard. Third one, they have to given about, dear children, Vansda National Park. Which one? Vansda National Park was established in 1979. Area 23.99 square kilometer, district Navsari. Now, which major animal you have to see in Vansda National Park? Leopard, cheetal, chausinga, giraffe. This all major animal you have to see in the Vansda National Park. And fourth one, dear children, which one? Marine National Park. Which one, dear children? Marine National Park, established in 1982. Area 162.89 square kilometer. Now, in which district, in which area they are located, Gulf of Kutch, Jamnagar. And already you all students are going from our school tour marine camp in standard 7 or 8. Now which major animal you have to see in the marine national park, dear children? You have to see seahorse, jellyfish, octopus, dolphin, etc. This all major animal you have to see the marine national park. So dear children, remember these two. 4 national park they have to given that. Out of 4 you remember 2 important. One is the Gir National Park, established in 1975, and second one is the Marine National Park, was established in 1982. So dear children, today we have to learn about the dangers to the wildlife, the remedies to the conserve wildlife, and the which kind of the step taken to the nurture of the wildlife. And at the last they have to given the whole chart in your textbook about the national park of the Gujarat. Thank you, dear children.
Thank you for joining us.